Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Python and pip are installed. This ensures a predictable environment. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Next, install Flask with pip and create a minimal app. That returns a string. This proves your Python web server runs. Make sure to place an index. HTML in a templates folder now, because Flask looks there by default. These first steps set up the runtime and file structure you will link to HTML. Now you implement the actual connection, define routes in app. And use render template to deliver index. HTML. You pass Python variables into the template so HTML renders dynamic content. Genia2 templating handles loops and conditionals safely. For user input, create a form with method post or call fetch from JavaScript to hit your Flask endpoint. Once the route receives data, process it in Python, then redirect or return JSON. Make sure to validate inputs to avoid errors and security issues. To finish, start the server and open your page. You should see dynamic content rendered from Python. If you use JavaScript fetch, confirm endpoints return JSON and that cores or content type headers are correct. Once done, deploy with a WSGI server like Unicorn for production. If things go wrong, first inspect console errors and network traces. Most issues are path mismatches, wrong HTTP methods, or template name typos. Then fix and reload. Repeat until the flow is reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.